The Supreme Court on Wednesday began hearing a petition filed by the West Bengal government, led by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, challenging the Election Commission's Special Intensive Revision (SIR) of electoral rolls in the state, amid concern that the exercise could result in the wrongful deletion of genuine voters' names. The matter is being heard by the bench headed by the Chief Justice, where senior advocate representing the state argued that justice cannot be seen to be done behind closed doors and sought urgent intervention to stop the ongoing deletion of names. West Bengal has asked the court to scrap the SIR process, rely on the existing electoral rolls, simplify the verification mechanism, and allow Aadhaar as a valid proof of identity to prevent eligible voters from being excluded. The state also flagged issues such as unresolved voter records and alleged procedural lapses in the revision exercise. Responding to the concerns, the court observed that voters are also observed at individual notices and the communication is not limited only to the public list, while emphasizing that the core issue is to ensure that no genuine voter is disenfranchised. The hearing is continuing, with the Supreme Court examining the balance between electoral roll accuracy and protection of voting rights.